I've got an image, and it's a lovely, lovely big image. It's really good quality. You can see here that it's 12.6 meg, which means it's lovely and big, ideal for printing, but really too big to use on a web page. So we want to keep the original and create a copy of it that we can then use as our featured image on a blog post. So first of all, we're going to duplicate. There's my copy, 12.6 meg. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click. There we go. I'll just bring that into the window so you can see all of it. It's automatically opened it in preview, and I've got some tools here to adjust the size. Okay, the resolution is really good for print, but I want it for the web, so I'm going to reduce that to 72, and that's 72 pixels per inch. And the width, instead of being 5,000 odd pixels, I want it to be 800 by 600. So I'm going to put in 800, and you'll notice that it's scaled it proportionally. But look, the height is too small now. So I'm going to have to fiddle around with it a bit more. So I want the height to be 600, but I'm going to have to find a way to crop it to make the width 800. Okay, so I know the height is correct. So I'm going to say OK to that. And now what you'll notice is it's created a copy of that picture, and it's now 200 kilobytes, which is much, much smaller and nicer. And now I can crop it. So what I want to do is I want to open this with my photo app on my Mac. So I couldn't get it by right clicking, so I'm going to have to go into my toolbar and open photos. Okay, so here's my photo library, and it isn't in here because it's in a folder in my Finder window, so I need to import. There it is, there's my copy. I'm importing it. Yeah, give me that. And what I want to do now is double click on it, and I've got my edit button in the top corner. I'm editing, and here you can see lots of options. What I want to do is just crop it, and I want to crop it to a ratio of 4:3. Okay, so that should give me my 800 by 600. Oh, let me just go across. So I've got the height here, and you can see what I want to do is just move that, drag that across to the edge there. I want that edge there. Okay, so for me now that's perfect. So I'm going to press enter, and now I'm ready to export. So I'm going to keep all those options the same, and I'm going to export to my images folder. There we go. Okay, so what that's done is it's created another copy on top. You'll see it's a little bit smaller still, and that is now ready to put into my blog post. And if I just show you the options here, the details rather, you'll see that that's now 800 by 600 pixels. So that will give me, and the reason we've done that is to keep a consistent size of the featured image in the blog posts. Hope that was helpful, and hope you enjoy your blogging and your photo editing.